Good morning, Sunday, 1st of June, and I've got myself an old client who wants a night latch installed, and to be honest with you, I've done 5 for this same address, but the main reason why I don't go and return is because they're just bad at communication. And I just kind of got really tired of doing things and not getting my worth for it. So I'm gonna now head over to this address. Gonna have to use this carrier bag because the last time I was at this address I left my toolsman bag. I know.
Carla, you can help him. Okay.
كاميرا استنى عشان انا لازم استخدم ما اقدر اشتغل عشان انا استلم السلم بعد 5 خلال 56 يوم استلم بيتي مضى دلوقتي 26 يوم يعني حوالي 26 يوم
انزل لا وقال له شنو؟
بتران ده ابراهيم الشيخ بتران ده ابراهيم بتران ده الشيخ والله
الناس هو يفتح لايف بس نمشي الدنيا هو يفتح لايف لا يا حين ولا مشكله هو اذا ما هو يحاول يفتح لايف يقول له تعرف ما في لايف
دول؟
يعني لا هو طلع
خد ورق؟ هو؟
لا مش كان جاورة
خبرك قال لك توني جاي الورق؟
قال لي هي انت قاعد صوت هو كده بيقبل انا قلت له شنو؟ قلت له مثلا مش ما تركز ولا في مكان كل شيء يقول لما تجي يقول انا قتل واهل الميت يبغوا يشوفوا دار وهنا عرفنا
زي
بحاول بيتصلوا للنظام في السودان قال انت حظك كويس لا والله لا تمشي لا هي كدس خلاص مو بتصل يعني عم بقول
Thanks. Alright, so now just got off the bus, just heading down towards the address. It's kind of just right in front of me really, so just gonna get on to putting on a new night latch, and probably gonna have a look at the ones I put in previously. So it's been quite a long time since I've come to this property, and let's just see where we are at. They wanted a lot of different things done, but I just put it all on postpone, to be honest with you. So yeah, looking at this address right here at the end. So my name is Kareem Ali, and what I'm going to do is introduce a little bit of my trade lifestyle. So I do plumbing, electrics, pretty much painting, garden, landscaping, a little bit of carpentry, slightly a bit of plastering. I'm at a property I was at last year, this one over here. I'd like you to see it. There you are. And I was here putting in some locks. It's a to-let property. So once the person bought it, I installed 4 night latch locks, and he wants a 5th one put in today. So I'm just waiting on him right now, and yeah, depending on how it goes with, you know, the labour, see how I get on with the work. But yeah, I'll record it, and I'll add in bits as I go along.